Is this thing going? What's up, YouTube, y'all? Today I'm back with my sis and my baby, y'all. Y'all can already tell by the title. We're gonna be attempting to put up my baby's bed. I just thought about it, like we don't have any tools or anything. Like, what if it needs screws and like we need screwdrivers and stuff like that? So I have no idea what's inside the box. Y'all see the box is right there. She moved her head. Yeah, the box is right there. So it just got here from Amazon. This is the bed that we're attempting to put up. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. We gotta get from this to this. What is she doing? What are you doing? How can you like push it or pull it or anything? Or because it is wood and it can't break. These go on the side. So this is what I got so far. So don't mind her. She crying because she's sleeping. It's 3 o'clock in the morning right now, and I'm still doing this. Well, I took a long break, but you know what I'm saying? I'm finna get this done tonight. So I got the 2 side pieces, this and this connected. Like I had to screw this, and we only got the little small screwdriver. So I'm finna need help for this and shit all out. So they just told me to put the little middle pieces on, only put them in one side out. And then they want me to add the little stick part so it could like be on the floor, like so this could be off the floor. They want me to add this and then put it in the other side, but I can't screw these in or nothing. I just gotta grab these 2 sides and push them on to all of them. But I can't do that by myself because I'm gonna pick up one side. No, don't play with me. Y'all see that? Ain't nothing funny. So this is where it's gonna, like this thing is gonna go. So I gotta lift this up, screw it in there. Even though all the rest of them gonna fall out, like it's need help. No. A ball is, I guess this and say with bolts and barrel nuts, but they got 2 different types of bolts on here, and I guess this is a barrel nut. So I got it from one side, but now order for me to do the other side of this. Like, cause I can't just put this other side on here and then screw it in because how I'm gonna put these in. So this gotta be a strap. So y'all, right now it's 4:11, and you know I just got the bed finished and everything, but y'all seen how my room was, so I gotta sweep my room, and I'm thinking, well, I don't know how I'm gonna. So this what I just thought about y'all. So it's already 4:11. Like, we're not gonna go to sleep until like 5:30. So probably not even then. But anyway, like, y'all know I don't be tired around this time. I don't know why, but that's just how we is. We don't be sleep around this time. We stay up. So I was thinking, like, turn my bed, like, instead of it being this way, turn it this way. If y'all get what I'm saying. So I don't know if y'all get what I'm saying, but look at my acne. Oh my god. Hurt. I ain't even noticed this. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to do. First I gotta sweep, because y'all see how badly my floor is looking. Like, I'm finna sweep and mop my floor, because she did just waste some what's that called, some soda on the floor. So, and I'm finna put her on my bed, give her a bottle, like, hopefully she'll like get a little, she ain't, but that's what I'm gonna do, so I could like try to keep her on the bed while I'm mopping the floor and stuff. So I'm gonna come back when I'm done sweeping and everything and show y'all how I think I'm gonna, like, where I think I'm gonna put her bed up and everything. So boom, y'all. Y'all see this? Her bed is finished, y'all. I did all of this on my own. Like, you know what I'm saying? I had no help doing this, you know? Her bed been up for like 2 weeks now or whatever. But I love it. And I got her little her bed set from Walmart. And I got this. And this little, I got these small pieces or whatever from Shein. Ordered them off Shein, and with her pillow, like, you could flip it or whatever, you know. It's a little reversible. She don't even be sleeping in it. Like, she would sleep in my bed. Listen, I would put her in her bed and she'd end up waking up in the middle of the night and getting in my bed. Like, I feel like this is a waste of my money, you know, but I mean, it's all good. It's cute though. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. I highly recommend this bed too, because I've sat on this bed myself a few times, like if I was getting her dressed or something, and like, you don't gotta worry about it breaking or none of that, although it is made out of wood. So don't be like trying to put too much, you know, like, you know. I'll put the link of it off Amazon in the description box. And yes, y'all, that's the end of this video. Bye.